crack prank moments. Bro extremely damaged.
Definitely! Definitely get up!
I got you. I didn't do nothing. I just cracked. You told me to crack her neck.
He shot.
Mama.
Baby first.